Welcome everyone to Repair My Mobile, and today we are going to see the latest update that is happening in the UMT. Yes, the UMT has launched a new update. It's a mind-blowing update where it will support up to Zynos CPU up to Android 15. Our main trainer, software trainer Mr. Sajad will guide you further. Sajad sir, over to you please.
Thank you very much, sir. So, guys, UMT have given the new update of 1.0 on Samsung only for Exynos FRP. It's a good update, and now it's a very big update for the Samsung user. In the market, definitely maximum user using the ISP method to unlock the method FRP.
Through easy tag and F64.
Right. But now, given update here is you can unlock your FRP by the new method of Samsung with the version 1.2 of Samsung tool. Enable ADB directly with this tool.
Okay.
First
So
of all, you need to connect on download mode your phone. Simple. Without open back panel. Without do not need to open back panel.
no ISP, no
No
delink,
really.
nothing. Okay.
Just press switch off your phone, press volume up and down, connect USB cable and to the system.
Okay.
After that, make sure your model is listed here. But it is not exactly your model like A12, M12. It is the processor model that means situated in your model.
So we have to detect using which is the
Processor,
CPU,
right,
which is
with
connected
CPU.
there.
So if like your CPU is 850, maximum 850 is in
Supported.
Samsung, maximum old model is already there.
Okay.
So first of all, you select your 850. That after you need to connect phone in download mode, and now after click enable ADB.
That's it.
That's it. After that, just checking your port, giving the information, phone after some time rebooting, and after that you will get an extra port here, ADB, automatically. Do not need anything. Just connect download mode.
Okay. And how we will reset it there?
If your model is not work, make sure you have already reset
Uh-huh.
because it is not for the resetting purpose. It is just for FRP only.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So you have reset already. If it's still error while going to ADB on mode, so you can be used to reset phone again while the recovery mode.
Okay.
Because Samsung is easy to recovery mode to reset your phone. Do the same procedure, download mode and unlock your phone. If the ADB is getting here, now you can access to remove FRP. How? Just go there and now this time select reset FRP Exynos
That's
and
it.
click here. Phone is switch on mount already. Now FRP is
So
done.
it is that easy.
Very easy.
So yes guys, this is the latest update in UMT. So if you want to learn UMT F64 or any other box, you can join our online classes. A student from across globe is learning software with us.
Thank you very much.
much.